FCAW welding is a semi-automatic welding process that uses a flux-cored wire electrode to produce a weld. The process is similar to MIG, GMAW, welding, but it uses a special type of wire that has a flux core, which produces a shielded arc. Equipment used: FCAW welding machine, power source, flux-cored wire electrode, welding gun, torch, shielding gas, optional, welding helmet, safety gloves. Process: the flux-cored wire electrode is fed through the welding gun and into the weld pool. The wire electrode is energized by the welding machine, producing an arc. The flux core in the wire electrode melts and produces a shielded arc, protecting the weld area from atmospheric gases. The welder manipulates the welding gun to control the weld pool and produce the desired weld shape. Advantages: high deposition rates, good penetration, smooth, uniform welds, can be used on thick materials, portable and versatile. Disadvantages: limited to welding ferrous metals, requires shielding gas in some applications, can produce slag and spatter, requires skill and practice to produce high-quality welds. Applications: shipbuilding, construction, heavy equipment manufacturing, oil and gas pipelines, automotive repair. Types of FCAW welding: self-shielded FCAW, no shielding gas required. Gas-shielded FCAW, uses shielding gas to protect the arc. Safety precautions: wear welding helmet, safety gloves, and protective clothing. Ensure good ventilation in the work area. Keep the work area clean and free of clutter. Follow proper welding techniques and safety guidelines.